Good morning, dear students. I hope you are well and performing your studies. In our new video, I welcome all of you. In this video, we will discuss exercise 10.4. In this question is two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. Okay, there are two circles with radii 5 cm and 3 cm. They will intersect. They intersect at 2 points. And the distance between the centers is 4 cm. That is what we have given. Then we are asked to find the length of the common chord. That is, students, on the basis of this, first we draw the figure, and on the basis of that, we will find the length of the common chord. So, dear students, there are two circles. One is of radius 5 cm and one is of radius 3 cm, right? So we consider two circles. One is of 5 cm radius, one is of 3 cm radius, right? So it is given that the distance between their centers, let us consider this with center O and this with center O dash. We call this as O dash. Now distance between them is of 4 cm. So can we have this distance O to O dash, that is of 4 cm, and there is a common chord. That chord is common. Shall we call this as AB? That common chord is AB. Means this chord belongs to this circle with center O and with this center with center O dash. Because of it is common chord, that's why we treat this as a common chord for both the circle with radius 5 cm and 3 cm respectively. Now here we have, let us consider, we are considering here, okay, where to find this length AB. So shall I call this AB, where AB intersect O dash, the point where it intersect, I call this as C, right? I call that point as C. Now let us consider circles of 5 cm with center O, radius of 5 cm, we call this center as O, and 3 cm of radius with center O dash. Okay, one circle with 5 cm radius with center O, and one circle with 3 cm radius with center O dash. Now it is given O dash. This O dash is of 4 cm. Okay, the distance between the centers O to O dash, that distance is of 4 cm. Now it is clearly seen that O dash is the perpendicular bisector We call this OO dash as the perpendicular bisector of AB. Of AB. Hence, AC equal CB. AC equal CB. This distance AC is equal to CB. C is midpoint. Therefore, shall we call this C is the midpoint of this AB. Therefore, this length, we are considering this length AB. AB is twice of BC or CB. Call this as equation P. Now, dear students, we are considering two different triangles. Okay, OAC and OA-AC. These two triangles we are going to consider here. Okay. Now here, let OC as x. We are considering this length OC as x and OC as 4 minus x. Okay, we are considering this OC as x. As we know that complete length is of 4 centimeter. That's why this much length is 4 minus x. Okay, so we got both sides OC and OC. Now, in triangle AOC, in triangle OAC, in this triangle OAC, by Pythagoras theorem. Now, in this triangle OA square is equal to how much? OA square is equal to AC square plus OC square. Right? Now, what is OA square, dear students? It is 5. It is 5 square. AC we don't know, and OC just we have consider this as x, so it is x square. It means AC square equal 5 square minus x square. That is what? 25 minus x square. It is AC square. This is AC square. Now, call this as 1. Equation 1. Now, moving on to this triangle AOC. Okay. OAC. Now, in triangle OAC, here we are considering the LHS OAC and here OA dash OAC. Now, in this triangle, again by Pythagoras theorem, what we have that O dash A square is equal to AC square. O dash A square is equal to AC square plus CO dash square. CO dash. Now, AC square is equal to O dash A square minus CO dash square. Right? We are shifting this to LHS, so it becomes O dash A square minus CO dash square. But dear students, O dash A means this. O dash A is of 3 centimeter square minus what is CO? CO or O dash C. CO dash is 4 minus x whole square. Right? So, this is 9. This is 4 square. It is 16. It is x. So, it is x square minus 2 into 4. It is 8x. So it is 9 minus 16 minus x square plus 8 plus x. Okay. This is, if we multiply by minus sign, it is minus of 16, it is minus of x square, it is plus of 8x. Okay, minus of 16, minus of x square, minus plus 8x. This is what, dear students? This is AC square. Now AC square is here, and here is also we are getting AC square. So if LHS is equal, what does it mean? Very nice. Their right hand sides also must be equal. It must be equal. So from 1 and 2, what we conclude? LHS are equal. It must be equal. That RHS must be equal, right? So it is 25 minus x square is equal to this. It is 9 minus 16 is what? Minus 7. This minus x square plus 8x. So dear students, this x square gets cancelled, right? So if we shift this minus 7 to LHS, that becomes 25 plus 7, it is 8x. It means that 8x equal 32, right? So x is what? X is 32 by 8, that is 4. Now dear students, we have the value of x. Now put this value of x in 1. Use in 1. X is here. Put this value of x in 1. So we get AC square is equal to what? 25 minus, it is x is 4 square. 25 minus 16, that is equal to 9. So AC square equal 9 means AC equal what? AC equal 3. Means we have this much of length AC. Okay. AC. Now here we have AB is equal to 2 times AC. Shall I correct this? Okay. Now AC we know, but we have to find length AB because we asked to find the length of common chord. Now here we know that AB is the common chord. Using P. If we use this AC, value of AC in P, what we get, dear students? So AB is equal to what? AB is equal to 2 into AC. AC is what? 3. It is equal to 6. So dear students, AB, length of common chord. Length of common chord is equal to 6 centimeter. AB is nothing but the common chord. This. So in this way we can able to find the value of length AB. Here we are considering the Pythagoras theorem for both the triangle. In this triangle, AO'C and ACO. Okay, in both triangle we are forming the relation. We are equating AC square on both sides. This we call as equation 1. This we call as equation 2. If LHS are equal, it must that RHS must be equal. So we are equating this. We are getting the value of x, and using this value of x into equation 1, we get AC. AC square is 9 and AC equal 3. And if AC is 3, then using P. So P is what? 2 times AC, 2 into. We know AC is 3. So it is 3 into 2, that is 6 centimeter. So dear students, hence we find length AB. I hope you watch all the videos which is given to you, and in this video you understand this very well. Go through the video, watch video very carefully, and hence solve the problems. Keep watching. Wish you all the best. Thank you.